Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Waddle back with a brand new geocaching video. Today we are at a special cache. Look at this. So this is where we are at. This is the cache. You see there's little screws there and we gotta bring it up. I know exactly what I have to do here. I just need to do it and let's get it. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Ah, we got it, boys. We got it. Let's go ahead and sign this logbook. We signed the logbook right there. All right, guys, so we are near ground zero for the second cache of the day. So we are actually near YouTube headquarters, so that's pretty cool. We are looking for another cache, which seems to be, has 38 favorite points. Did you check that? Check it. Check the skirt. Lift it. Lift it. Does it lift up? No. No, it doesn't lift up? No. There's a key though. We might need that for the geocache. We're not sure yet. Oh! Oh, hey! There's a little tiny tube hanging right there behind the sign. That's cool. That's our geocache. Let's go grab that. How do we can't remove it, but really? We found a geocache. Woo. So Therese went ahead and retrieved the logbook from the cache, and look at that nice logbook. It's pretty empty actually. So we're gonna go ahead and sign it and then move on to the next cache. Well, we actually thinking of getting some snacks first, but we'll let you bring you on. I can't speak. Oh my god. We'll bring you on for the ride. We'll bring you on for the ride. Guys, look what Therese made me. Look at this art. This looks absolutely insane. We got some boba too for my dad, the driver. Thank you for making the drawing. I treated her to boba. I treated my dad to boba too. Look at this. This looks. You didn't pay. I did pay. This looks absolutely insane. And now we're gonna go to the next geocache. All right, guys. So we are at location number 2. Location number 2. We're at the next cache of the day. I'm here with Therese again, and I think we already found it. Right when we arrived at ground zero, we saw this thing, and look, it actually is magnetic, and it does come off from right at the thing. So we found the cache. Now, if we look inside, we can go ahead and open this up, and we see some cars and the nice logbook right there, which we are going to sign today. Woo! Because we found the cache. I really don't. Yeah, there's a lot of muggles nearby. I don't know what to say. I'm trying to make this short and quick, so sorry. Alright guys, so we are currently walking toward more caches. We are walking on a trail right now because these are gonna be some long caches and some long walks. So we are prepared. I got my bag with some water on it. And yeah, we're just gonna be walking and enjoying what we see on these cache trails. Alright, so we are at ground zero. It is this nice, weird concrete in the middle of nowhere. Oh, I think I see it right there. There is a nice little container right there. Let me get some gloves on before we pull it out. Nice container. Right here is our geocache. Woo! Alright.
So cute.
So open up. What do you see? What do you see?
So there's a logbook.
There's a logbook in there.
We have a bunch of stuff in here.
Wow. Oh, is
like
this a trackable?
Like a surfboard key.
Oh my god. We found another travel bug, which we're probably gonna go ahead and take along and see. Look at this. That's an amazing travel bug. If you guys didn't know already, we have our own travel bug, which is right here. We found this guy or gal, this duck, a while back while we were geocaching, and yeah, this looks like a good place to drop it off and trade it for this. travel bug. What else is in there? So
There's a little alcohol pack.
we have a new alcohol pack. If you cut yourself on geocaching, we're gonna leave a little. Oh, you can hear it already off camera. We leave a little oink oink inside it because it can fit in here. And move on to the next cache. And there you go. We put Waddle, we put the Twitch, we put the YouTube, we self-promoted out here because this is a nice big logbook. There's a bunch of other pages of other people's logs. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. My dad is all the way right down there. If the wind would stop shaking, you could see my dad. But he's right there. Lead us to the geocache. Woo! Look at the nice view out here though. All right guys, so we are what we think is ground zero. Look at this amazing view. We are looking around for a giant Play-Doh container covered in rocks. So we'll be letting you know when we see it. So Therese, we've been searching for like 15 minutes. Therese actually called me over and she found the geocache. Where'd you find it?
So I was looking at the flowers, and then I looked over here because I was like, there's a bunch of rocks, and it was just sitting right there.
It was just sitting right there. Wow, congrats, you found a geocache up by this nice hill with a nice view. So here's a pill bottle with a logbook. What else is in here?
Oh, there's a shell.
There's a shell, there's a pencil.
A quarter.
A little quarter.
Pebble.
A pebble. There's toad!
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 I was looking under every rock and I saw so many spiders and it was just there.
It's right there. Congrats! Woo! Alright guys, so we are currently walking to the next geocache in the area. We took a little bit of time to just enjoy the view up there because I know for damn sure I'm not gonna climb up there anytime soon. I'm so tired. I've been so out of shape with everything closed. You guys know how I play Pump It Up, right? I'm tired, I'm out of breath. So we're gonna walk down this trail, find the other geocache. We took some time to just rest up and everything. And I'll see you when we get there. We are literally in the middle of nowhere for ground zero of this next cache. This is a large, so we are looking for something huge. My guess is it's hidden like in one of these bushes, so we're gonna get our gloves on and we're gonna get searching for this geocache. Y'all, we found it. Therese found another one. Holy crap, the only problem is there's like a lot of bushes. We don't know how to get to it, but oh my god. Here it is, official geocache, large. Look how big this is. This is like the Home Depot buckets. Wow. We're gonna go ahead and check what's inside if Therese can get her way over here. Large geocache. Wow. Bet. So, this I'm assuming is the logbook for this cache.
Oh, that's so cool. They use stickers.
Yeah, oh!
So cute.
Nice. Nice little book. There's a lot of toys. A nice little med kit. What else is in here? Little stethoscopes. Oh, it is a little bit wet. Oh, it is very wet inside. Here is the logbook. There is the logbook. It is moist inside, which is not the best. Is there any other trackables maybe in here? But anyways, we are gonna go ahead and sign this logbook. Congrats, you found another cache. Oh my god.
Bright orange.
Yeah, nice. We are almost at ground zero for the last cache of the day. This one's a little surprise I have for Therese. I myself have done a cache like this already, but I know she hasn't because, yeah, she hasn't. So, I see it already. It's right here. If you watch my previous video, you'll be familiar with these caches. But look at this. Does this look familiar, you guys? So, what we need to do is we need to find a way to get the cache from at the bottom. We need to find a way to get it out.
Water.
We use water, yes. So there's the hole I have to plug right here, and we'll have Therese pour the water to get this cache out. And go, 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 go.
It's just leaking out.
Yeah. Is it leaking out? Oh, it is.
No,
oh, there's two holes. There's two holes. There's two holes. There it is.
So cute.
Woo!
Oh my god.
There's the nice little cache we get. And look, watch as the water just goes and spurts out into the earth and waters the soil. Nice.
We need like half.
We only needed like half?
Yeah.
Alright guys, that is going to be the end of this geocaching video. I'm sorry if this video is a little bit weird around the whole video. It's just, I haven't done this in like 2 weeks. So because of all the moving and setting up the new house and everything. So I'm still getting adjusted back into vlogging and making these geocache videos. So I'm sorry if like the intro was a bit weird and all that. But hey, I had a nice day of geocaching and I'm gonna go get some food. Then we're gonna drop off Therese and go to like Home Depot, do some other stuff for today. Maybe play some Valorant. Anyways, I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed these geocaching videos. That lets me know that I need to make more of these for your entertainment. Anyways, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace!